Hello everyone, this is Yashwant. Welcome back to our channel Yash AI. This channel was created only for free AI tools. Do subscribe and know about all free AI tools. Coming to point, today's free AI tool is Font Designer. Now you can create your own font designs. For this, open this website, Adobe Firefly. This is the first interface of this website. For better experience, choose desktop mode, and here third one, text effects. Click the button Create with Adobe. In this page, you have to sign in with your Google account. If this button unable to function, click another button which is at right upside corner. These are the default designs. Select your favorite design. Look at here. This content was generated with an AI tool. Next page will appear like this. To the right side, you can customize your designs. From here, select your design, what you like. Go down and type your text and click generate. Now customize your designs by changing prompt, background color, text color and match shape. Now I think you was noticed difference between tight and loose. And next, font styles. Select your favorite one and come to background color. Mostly select black color only, so that you can easily remove black screen from any editing app and use your name on any photo and video. Before clicking generate, type your prompt here. Wait, I will show some prompts and outputs. Through that, you get an idea about prompt and download your design. If you like my content, hit the like button and do subscribe for more free AI tools. Thank you for watching.